Damn, I look like a fire. Guys, guys. Oh my gosh, like, do you love this look? Do you love the completed vibes? This is just pencil, it's lip pencil. And I put Vaseline. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first time and the last time you will ever hear me say welcome to my channel. Trust. So welcome to my channel. This is one hell of a channel that I've been waiting to do this for the longest time. Like, I've been waiting for this. Like, I've been waiting to do this for the utmost longest time, and I'm very happy that I finally get to do it. So welcome. Guys, I'm gonna get straight to the nitty-gritty. My name is Zindombi Samantha Ncula. You can follow me on all the socials. I'm on Insta, come on, you can tell. I'm on Face of the Books. I'm on Twitter, but I'm not really tall on Twittering. Follow me on all the socials. So I am just here to tell you about my channel. Like the thumbnail said, my channel is about beauty, lifestyle, and vlogs. So when it comes to beauty, it's things that you can do because I've got like natural 4C hair. This I did by myself, by the way, so that tells you, you know, that you just subscribe to the right channel. So you get to do your hair. Makeup, I'm not really tall on it, but I can show you how to do makeup under a budget. Let's do that, because I'm all about budget. I'm like the budget queen. I feel like if you're gonna live a soft life, live it to the fullest, but live it knowing that you still got money in the bank motto. So yeah, we get to do beauty, and then when it comes to beauty, it's just mostly hair, taking care of yourself, hygiene, all the works, you know how it is. And my second point, lifestyle. So with lifestyle, it's basically just living the dream that you want to live. I guess it's lifestyle. Lifestyle for me, it's more about like what you do, what you eat, where you go, what's the vibes, you know what I mean? What you recommend, what you don't. I also show things like how you to DIY or DIY? Do it yours. DIY. So DIY. So your DIYs, like for example, making gifts for friends, baby showers, and all those things of the above, dad, whatever. So yeah, I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror, you guys. Like, oh my gosh, this is how I look and when I do my best. Guys, I've got lashes on. Anyways, but don't worry, during my videos I make sure that you guys see me at my natural. So when I'm out of all of this, when I'm all natural, my vibe, my befores, my afters, you get to see everything. So I'm not always this cute. So yeah, and then your lifestyle. So everything for me is always under a budget. Like, I always make sure I stick to a budget. Sometimes I go over budget, but then it's the life it is. And then my vlogs. So vlogging is basically just showing you guys what I do in an everyday vibe. I know a lot of people are like, so what do you do? What do you... So yeah, so basically I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do on an everyday basis, how I do it, the vibe, what I go through. I've got road rage. 1, 2, I don't take shit. 3, there's just a lot of things that I just do and it's always fun. So you get to step into my life. So currently I just finished my honors degree. At this point it is November 2020. I just finished my honors degree in BCom in information systems, and hopefully all that goes well. My vision for 2021, personal vision, guys, oh my god, I want to shed a tear. Shed a tear. My personal vision is just to get employment, like actually be employed, and then also maybe get a car, new one, get a new car, beef up my credit record. And if I can do that, I'm going to tell you how I did it. I'm going to give you some tips on that, actually, because I'm actually very good at that. And just basically having fun. I think, yeah, 2021, I will be 25. Wow. Wow. I'm getting old. All right, cool. So that is basically the chat. And obviously by 2021 November, end of November 2021, my aim for this channel is to reach at least 5,000 subscribers. Then I know exactly, like, because my vision is just to get 5,000 subscribers, like 5,000 subscribers. I want to be one of those girls, you know, that blow up the balloons 5K and be like, thank you guys. So like, I'm really looking forward for that. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also just have a blast with me, guys. I will tell you right now, I am very real. I'm very real, trust me. If something doesn't work when it comes to hair or any other thing, I'm going to show you, because like, guys, I don't like being lied to. I don't like being lied to. But yeah, PS, this is the room that I'll be recording everything in. I'm going to show you a vibe. I just did this room up a couple of months ago. So I'm going to also show you how to do bedroom decor, maybe some decor around the house or anything that you're looking for on a budget. Side note, the exciting part of my channel, what makes it different, because I'm sure a lot of people want to know that, I actually do story times, which is an additional like added factor towards my channel. And it's not just my stories, because my stories can get me arrested. My stories, yo guys, my stories can get me arrested, trust me. But it's also stories from my friends, especially my homie who's also my neighbor. So look forward to seeing that type of vibe. Like, trust me, it's gonna be very lit. And definitely, like, I'll be including all my friends, most of my friends, but it's also gonna be like, oh guys, I'm gonna be including most of my friends in my story times. We're gonna be just chilling and they'll tell me their stories. Like, we've got a lot of stories to tell you. Like, we could literally all get arrested just from telling you guys these stories. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this channel, because I honestly will be enjoying making all the videos for you all. And yeah, let's have a blast.